going on, guys? Angelo here. Welcome to Around the Track. This is where we talk about all the hot and new things going on within the coastal community. Today I have some information regarding the reopening of Kings Island, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So on June 5th, 2020, we got a message from the CEO of Cedar Fair Entertainment. He was in talks with the Ohio Governor Mike DeWine as well as John Husted, and he stated that they are now allowed to reopen their Ohio parks, which would be Kings Island as well as Cedar Point. I'll have a separate video for Cedar Point coming really soon, but I did want to go ahead and let you guys know what was going on. I imagine that they're going to be having some safety protocols such as wearing masks, temperature screenings, as well as maybe even reservations being required. And on top of that, guests will still have to remain 6 feet for social distancing. Now, there hasn't been any official date on when this reopening is going to happen. I imagine it's going to be probably late June or either early July, which is still good news because that'll be in no time. Time is flying right now. As far as Orion, we haven't really heard anything about that as well. I don't know if that's going to open this year, but seeing as how SeaWorld Entertainment might be putting a hold on their new attractions like Iron Gwazi, Pantheon, Icebreaker, and many more, I don't know if Cedar Fair is willing to take that risk or not. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Please give the video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Don't forget to enable post notifications to stay up to date with everything that's happening on the channel. Till next time, you guys. Peace out.